English for beginners.
Conversation between the two friends. Hey, Lisa. How's your day shaping up?
Hey, Sarah. Oh, the usual hotel hustle, dealing with check-ins, check-outs, and all that jazz. But it's been all right. How about you?
Same old, same old. The phones have been ringing non-stop, and I've lost count of how many times I've reset the Wi-Fi for guests who can't seem to connect.
Ugh, the Wi-Fi issue. It's like a daily saga, isn't it? But hey, keeps us on our toes, I guess.
Definitely. So, spill the tea. Any interesting guests today?
Oh, you won't believe it. We had this family with the cutest little kids checking in earlier. They were all over the lobby, full of energy and excitement.
Ah, sounds adorable. But I can imagine they must have kept you on your toes.
You bet. I felt like a kid wrangler trying to keep them from darting off into different directions.
Haha, well, at least it's a change from the usual business travelers and conference attendees.
True that. So, any plans for after work today?
Not much. Just gonna crash on the couch with my cat and binge watch some reality TV. Need to decompress after today's chaos.
Sounds like a plan. I think I'll do the same, maybe throw in some pizza delivery for good measure.
Though, pizza sounds amazing. Count me in.
Awesome. All right, let's power through these last few hours and then it's Netflix and pizza time.
You got it, partner in crime. We've got this. Their conversation delves deeper into their daily work challenges and plans for unwinding afterward, reflecting their shared experiences and camaraderie.